What's good, crypto hustlers? Imagine waking up on this sunny October Saturday in the States, firing up your Coinbase app, and seeing XRP staring back at you like that old-school boss, steady, unshakable but whispering, "I'm about to run." If you're grinding from NYC high-rises to Cali beaches, this is your wake-up call. We're diving into the XRP USDT chart from October 5th to 11, 2025, packed with that raw energy that's got the whole USA buzzing. No dry stats dump, just the hype, the real talk, and that fire prediction to keep you locked in for the next 3 minutes. If XRP's your bag, smash that like and subscribe. Let's ride this wave together. America first, gains forever. The Pulse, XRP holding strong at $2.4801, a warrior in the altcoin arena. Kick off with the main stage. Those candlesticks from October 5th afternoon to yesterday's close. XRP's flexing at $2.4801 USDT. Up a slick 0.07% over 24 hours. Yeah, it's that quiet grind that turns into a roar. Daily high hit $2.5145. Low dip to $2.3121. With 244.21 million XRP flipping hands for $585.84 million in volume. That's not chump change. That's institutional money. Think BlackRock scouts and whale wallets, dipping in while Bitcoin's hogging the spotlight at $122K. Spot the drama, that brutal red hammer candle midweek, slamming from $2.90 down to $2.31 like a Fed rate hike gut punch. Blame the broader alt bleed, but check the comeback. Green doji stacking, price bouncing off that $2.40 floor like it's magnetized. For you everyday Americans trading on Robinhood or Fidelity, this screams V-shaped revenge. XRP's not crashing. It's coiling like a spring in a Tesla coil gun. Volume's up 15% from last week. Per CoinMarketCap feeds, the Army's mobilizing. And with ETF deadlines looming October 18th, 25. This frog's about to leapfrog the doubters. EMAs, your roadmap to the $3 breakout. Support that's bulletproof. Peel back the layers to those EMAs. They're XRP's secret sauce, guiding you through the noise like a GPS in Chicago rush hour. The 7-period, cyan squiggle at $2.4325, is glued to price, dipping hard but flattening like it's catching its breath. Short-term bears, they're toast. Slide to the 25-period orange lifeline at $2.592. Boom. Price is perched right on it, using it as a launch pad after that $2.31 test. That's gold, fam, in 2024's bull leg. XRP ripped 150% off this exact EMA bounce. The 50-period Blue Guardian, $2.7163, and 100-period Teal, $2.8076, are sloping down gently. But the 200-period Purple Wall, $2.8686, sits just above like a velvet rope at an LA club. Resistance. But crackable, price sliced below them all in the dump, echoing that post-election rotation out of alts. But now, the 25 EMAs holding like Fort Knox. Realistic vibe. This mirrors XRP's 2023 surge. EMA support flips the script. And with Ripple's bank charter whispers hitting the wires, we're eyeing that golden cross soon. It's not hype. It's history repeating for the Stars and Stripes squad. Indicators, RSI at 53, neutral ground zero. MACD flipping bullish like a comeback story. Now the undercard where the real sparks fly. RSI 14, chilling at 53.03, smack in neutral. Not overbought frenzy or oversold panic, but wavy up from 30s, lows like a heartbeat quickening after a jog. For you quant traders in Texas oil towns, this is prime, room to run without the exhaustion crash. Just like Q2 2025, when it coiled here before popping 40%. MACD's the MVP. DIF line, blue at -0.0124. Weaving above DEA, orange at -0.01208. Histogram, those tiny orange bars shrinking from red abyss. Zero line cross incoming. That's your green light for momentum, bullish divergence screaming, buyers incoming. Bollinger Band squeezing tight, upper $1.974. Wait, chart glitch, real talk. Bands at $2.70, $2.90 per trading view. SAR dots flipping below price for uptrend confirmation. Volume profile. Those purple bars spiking on the dip show smart money loading. Not fleeing, 80% of XRP's 50% plus pumps start with this exact setup. It's gritty, it's real. XRP's not mooning blind, it's engineering the escape. The volume vibe, $585 million flood, Whales are whistling Dixie. Bottom panel volume, 244 million XRP. Bars pulsing orange on the sell-off, but now steady blue. That's accumulation, not distribution, compared to the $2.5 billion daily average. It's building, with on-chain data from Sentiment showing whale transfers up 22% this week. X-Chatter's Electric post hyping XRP to $7. Amid ETF fever, for USA viewers, picture it as Super Bowl hype, the crowd's roaring. But the play's just forming, with SEC eyes on 6 ETF nods. This volume's the fuel for liftoff. Price prediction, $3 short-term slam dunk, $5 EOY, ETF shockwaves incoming. The crystal ball moment, predictions. Straight no chaser, next 7 days. With RSI neutral and MACD flipping. I'm calling a 10 to 15% grind to $2.75, $2.85. Retesting that 50 EMA. Hold $2.40 support. We gap fill to $3 by October 18th. Riding ETF buzz. That's your quick win for day traders from Miami to Seattle. End of October. CoinDCX and finance magnates see $3.25, $3.62 if approvals drop, with 40% rally potential for Coin Central on Q4 seasonality. But if BTC wobbles below $120K, dip to $2.35 per Coin Codex set alerts. Stay sharp by 2025 close. Bullish consensus, $5.05 average trading view AI. Up to $9 if supply shocks hit. James Crypto. Changelly's conservative at $2.80. But with $5.8B ETF inflows projected. Standard Chartered's $5.50 EOY is the floor. Long shot, $10 plus if Ripple's charter greenlights. XRP's not done. It's reloading for the American dream run. XRP's chart. It's the ultimate underdog tale, battered by alts bleed. But signals stacked for glory. Not advice, DYOR, trade your risk. And hodl smart, this got your blood pumping. Comment XRP to $5. Below, hit notifications. And let's build that portfolio. Catch you in the next one, stay winning.